I am Shobhan Singh Gupta and I am going to do the question number 4 of ANSEM. So here we have been given the question that we have to find the largest rectangular box, find the volume of the largest rectangular box with edges parallel to the axis that can be inscribed in the ellipsoid of given equation 9x square plus 3 36 y square plus 4z square equal to 36. So to solve, we have to solve the value of z. So to find the value of z, we have to shift these two x square and y square terms here. So 4z square equal to 36 minus 9x square minus 36 y square. And now next step, 2z equal to under root of 36 minus 9x square minus 36y square. And if we take out something common, we can read it again as 3 by 2 under root of 4 minus x square minus 4y square. So now we have to we know that for maximum value we know the formula, which is 8 times of x, y and z. 8 into x into y into z. So now if we substitute this value here in this equation, so we will get 8x y into 3 by 2 of under root 4 minus x square minus 4y square. This will cut 4 and which will come out with 2x y under root of 4 minus x square minus 4y square. So now this will be our function f of v of volume v with variables x and y. As we have eliminated in this equation, we do not have z, so this will be the equation of volume having x and y. So now to solve this, we have to find the partial derivative with respect to x and y. So to find, we have v of x equal to del v by del x, which comes out to be 24y upon under root of 4 minus x square minus 4y square into 2 minus x square minus 2y square. And vy here equal to del v by del y, which is equals to 12x upon under root of 4 minus x square minus 4y square and 4 minus x square minus 8y square. These are the two partial derivatives when we will get if we partially differentiate this with respect to x and with respect to y. So now we to find two equations, we have to put these two, vx equal to 0 and vy equal to 0. So if we put this, so 24y upon under root of 4 minus x square minus 4y square into 2 minus x square minus 2y square will be equal to 0. So this whole part will comes out to be 0, and we will get here 2 minus x square minus 2y. Left out will be this part, and by rearranging we get x square plus 2y square equal to 2. And here x square, the value of x square will be 2 minus of 2y square. Now we have to substitute this x square value in the vy. So now from the above equation, where we got 12x upon under root of 4 minus x square 4 minus y square into 4 minus x square minus 8y square equal to 0. This all part comes out to be 0 because of cross multiplication, and we will left with 4 minus x square minus 8y square equal to 0. Now substituting the value x square here, let's rewrite first x square plus 8y square equal to 4. Now this is better. Now if we substitute the value here, we will get the value of y. So by substituting, we will get here 2 minus 2y square plus 8y square equal to 4. From here we get 6y square equal to 2. From here it's plus minus of 1 by root 3. Now if we get y, the value of y, we can find the value of x, and by putting this value we will easily get value of x equal to 2 by root 3. So now we got the value of x and y. So now we can find the value of z. So we know that value of z here was the equation was z equal to 3 by 2 under root of 4 minus x square minus 4y square. Now the value of x is 2 by root 3 and value of y is 1 by root 3. So sorry, this will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 under root of 4 minus of 4 by 3 minus of 4 into 1 by 3, which if we take 4 common out, we will get 3 by 2 4, and when it will come out, it will become 2 from the bracket, and we will get 1 minus 2 by 3. This will cut out, and 3 by root 3 will get, which is equals to root 3. Not the answer. It is the value of z. So now we get all values. X equal to, we get 2 by root 3, y equal to 1 by root 3, and z equal to root 3. And we know the v max is equal to 8x yz. By substituting these values here, we will get the maximum volume we want of the rectangular box. So 8 into 2 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into root 3. This will cut, and 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So 16 by root 3 is the answer. Thank you.